We have to pray for a musician. I saw him inside the car, and I saw blood inside the car. I'm not the one that killed. His name is Big Zulu. I've been praying for him for extension, because this thing is supposed to happen March next month, March, April. I'm still praying. I'm the one praying for Sumizi now. Well, now this other man who is very soon, his name is Big Zulu.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zulu. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. So a prophecy by a certain Nigerian pastor, Prophet Uche, to be specific, about KZN artist Big Zulu, looks like has been fulfilled, you guys. Sadly so, I must say. Now Big Zulu has been trending for over a couple of weeks now, you guys. It has been alleged that he has toilet, you guys, using a snake to enrich himself, where he allegedly sleeps with that snake, you guys, so that he can have money and a lot of fame. Nina, there was an audio actually on TikTok, you guys. Soon after, this accident that has happened, people were quick to point out that Pastor Uche was actually one who was very vocal about his accident, because Big Zulu got into an accident, you guys, and they were saying that Uche urged people to pray for Big Zulu, as I have inserted that video at the beginning, you guys, as he saw him being in an accident someday, which might possibly take his life in the process, you guys. And sadly, Big Zulu did get in an accident, you guys, and people were saying that, okay, you were right. And the saddest part was that when he urged people to pray for Big Zulu, people were saying that no, this is probably one of those cloud chasing pastors. But soon after that accident came to life, they were reminded of the video that Prophet Ichu posted. I think it was about 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, you guys. Soon after the accident, Big Zulu posted this video alerting his fans that he is actually doing okay. So this is what he wrote. Nkabi Nation, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for the prayers. I am safe and in power. I would like to thank the doctor, mothers here in Alberta and Nedcare for the love they have given me. Thank you so much to my sister and brother for taking care of me. Thank you so much. I am safe and right. One love, he wrote, you guys. What are your thoughts? Engage it with me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.